It's just making it up. I don't have internet on this laptop right now. And this isn't too bad. I mean, well, they're not adding chocolate to it anywhere. But so far, I mean, most of those ingredients are what you would expect. Half a cup. No, I think they're. I should pull up a real one side by side. But anyways, I don't know what kind of fudge it's making. Butter flavored, I guess. Even though I specifically asked to do canola because that's the carrier in my medication of sorts. Microwave to melt the. Okay, so this is GP. Well, I mean, I guess you could see GPT4ALL. It has quite a few different models. I'm using Orca right now, just because I usually default to that Phi 3, and it's pretty good. But I just want to test some of these out. Is it not going to tell me to heat up anything? Oh yeah, duh. Microwave though. I guess those are usually the most popular. Perfect fudge in your microwave. Mm-hmm. And it's kind of slow. I don't know what the deal is, but it's not. As you can see down in the corner here. I can't even see it through my phone. Anyways, it says something about like almost a whole token CPU, and GPU loading failed. I got an NVIDIA 3090 in this sucker. No, it's probably a 3070. I can't remember, but it's not a wussy thing. I know it has 6 gigs of dedicated VRAM, and then it has an on-die, which is weird. It has an Intel processor. No, it doesn't. Okay, I guess we got that here. But anyways, that Radeon is like on the die instead of like a dedicated NVIDIA like I got. But okay, so I digress. I would get way quicker and better responses if I could. But I'm running Linux Mint, but it shows that I have the right administration, I think. It won't be able to look up the newest thing, and it'll probably cry about it. You appear to be offline. Yeah, I know. I wanted to see what's. Whatever. Someday. Once chilled, cut the fudge. Chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. That's about par for the course, the ones I've seen. And it's almost done. It'll give suggested follow-ups. Supposedly I can under model. I could get really fancy with system prompt template, chat name prompt, suggested follow-up prompt. Yeah, whatever. I don't know what any of these values mean. I'm sure they could be. I don't know why it wants 26 layers, but I don't understand. Oh, huh. Little pop-up. Huh. You should probably read those all the time. Does not take effect until you reload the model. Anyways, I was just trying to. I'm not having it write my writing book maybe someday, but where was I going with this? But I'm bouncing off questions and like having it correct my grammar a little bit, or like, hey, could I say this in a different way? And instead of writing it for me, it gives me suggestions on how to get. Some people are vehemently opposed to artificial intelligence of any kind, but it's a good little chat assistant, fuck, I should give it more permissions. And I asked one AI if it could recompile a Linux kernel, and it said, yeah, sure. And I can't even imagine what it would do. Like, A, would it be a bootable kernel? And then B, would it be like, man, AI just embedded into the kernel would be so epic. Be like, I want you to hack this. Oh, okay, sir. And then, a bunch of terminal commands. Anyways, thanks for watching.